How does it make you feel once you realize, like, oh shit, illegally watching me for something that I didn't do and I have nothing a part of, but they're watching me to try to set me up?
It's a creepy feeling. On the other hand, today I operate on the basis that everything I say, everything I write, everything I text, everything I do, it's probably all being monitored somewhere. So I still haven't done anything wrong. So that's the irony.
Let me ask you, do you think it's just if you're doing something illegal, or are they also gathering stuff that might be embarrassing to you to then, blackmail you?
Certainly a possibility. I mean, first of all, they're supposed to have probable cause. They need to have some piece of evidence that would indicate that you're involved in some criminal activity. So when the Mueller prosecutors went to multiple federal judges, they said, Your Honor, we have reason to believe that Stone is guilty of conspiracy against the United States, money laundering millions, counterfeiting Russian money, unauthorized access to a government computer,